Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm discussing and we are learning about how to use mouse buttons for selecting the objects and zooming in, zooming out, and panning and rotating orbit. So one by one we will learn how to do that. Okay. So I will use left mouse button to click the object. So use your left mouse button, just click. So hover over there, it is highlighting it, so it is asking us to just click. Means so we want to select, means we just have to use your left button to just click. The object is being selected, so only one object is selected here. Okay, because this is one whole object, it has got 4 lines, joined lines are there. So those are which are joined to that object, it is going to be selected. Now this is considered as a whole one object, whole one geometry. It's a rectangle. Okay, so now I want to continue selecting the object. Just there is a plus sign is there, it means that you can continue selecting the objects. Just left click left click and left click. Okay, so now what I will do, so this whole whatever the objects inside that model space, this is the model space, are being selected. Means I have selected all the object at one by one. Now I want to select all the object at once. Okay, use your now see, these objects are selected. Now how to deselect the objects? There are two ways. One is just press the escape button in keyboard, deselect it. How to select it once, all at once? You just use your control A to select all. Okay, so this is selecting all, means control A, all elements has been selected. Whatever the elements which are drawn, whatever the drawings included in that model space are being selected. Okay, now I just one moment, I will just deselect the element. So what is my point is how to select the object using mouse button all together by two selection methods. There are green selection area method, there is by using blue selection area method. There are two very important selection methods are there. Using your mouse left button, just click here and drag your mouse to left side and include that objects. Okay, so now what is happening here, you just see. So when I move the mouse left side, it is creating a green selection area. This is the green selection area. So when I use the mouse, when I move the mouse right side, it is selecting the blue selection area method. There are two types, I told you, no? There are two types of selection areas. By selecting the area, by by creating a selection area, by creating a selection area, we can select the objects. By clicking on the objects, we can select the objects. Okay, so now we understand what are those selection areas. Green selection area, what is green selection area, and what is blue selection area. So as soon I click the mouse button, it is asking to specify opposite corner. So when I move the mouse in left side, see, for example, I just touching that object, means I'm just hovering over there, it means that it can be selected. So I need not to include the whole object to select it. I just need to hover over there and click the next point. That object is selected. Now one more time I will show you. Click here and move here. Okay, what is the important? Why I am doing? Why I am selecting one by one? I have to select all the objects at once, no? By creating a by using green selection area method. Just use your left mouse button and move your mouse, cover that area. So now I'm covering, I just touching and clicking at this point here only. Okay, just I clicked to end, because selection area method means it will ask you to click 2 points. So one point is to activate the selection area, another point is to drag it and select another point in the left side or at right side. Okay, now what I did, I just clicked another point here. It is selected these objects, whatever the objects which are touching to that green selection area are being selected. Okay, now we understood what is green selection. What is the importance of a blue selection? Why we have a green selection area method? What is the blue selection area? What exactly this mean? So when I use blue selection area method, see, I just click the mouse and drag the mouse to right side of the window, means right side of space. So it is creating a blue selection area. So what happens here, clearly it is showing that, closely you just look for it, what is happening here. I just touch this object, hover over this, but it is not highlighting this object, because it is asking us to uh, include whole object inside the blue area. Then only it will select that object. Whatever the object, the whole object has to be covered in that area, it is going to be selected. Now I will cover this circle, but it is not selecting. You have to cover that inside this area. I'm just covering that inside this area. So now the you just need to click next point. Now I am clicking here, so it is selecting. Okay, so these two selection area methods are playing very important role to select all together at once. But what is the need of blue selection area? What is the need of green selection area method? So green selection area method means it is easy for us to just to touch, no need to cover all the objects inside that area. You just need to touch, you just need to hover over there and click that point, it will be selecting. Select and click it. You have to cover this. See, you have to cover this. Say I am covering this much only, it is selecting this. I am covering this much only, it is selecting this. Just like this I am covering this. Okay, escape. No, I will show you again what is that area. So I need not to cover this area. So whatever that area it covers under this selection method, this much only I will cover up here, and I will click the next point. It is selecting all the object at once. Then what is the importance, man? What is the importance of blue selection area? We have green selection area. I already told you what is importance. I'll show you why blue selection area is very important here. So I'm going to the next drawing, means next model. Here what is happening here, see, I want to select only these two behind the objects. Behind these objects I want to select. Now in this case I will use only blue selection area method to cover these objects, that side, this, not this frame, the left behind side frame I have to select. Okay, now what I will do, I will use a shift button and middle mouse button to orbit this, just so that I can cover that blue area. Okay, I just want to now use blue selection area method to cover this area only. So whatever comes into that under that area, it will be selecting. I just click the next point. See, so only those objects are selected. If I, what if I use green selection area method this time? So whatever the objects are selecting to this area, connecting means it is touching to that area, it is, but I don't want those objects to be included in this. I want to select only these things. See how it is important. That's why selection methods are playing very important role. Now I can select all those things at once. So here these 2D objects are also selecting and 3D objects are also selecting, because I control plus A. Control A, you clicked. I just escape, it is selected. Okay, thank you guys.